Today I got a call from a massive honeybee hive that was in a tree. The tree man took the tree down, and as of right now I'm pulling the hive out. I'll probably leave it overnight. Hopefully the bears won't get it. This area is really infested with a lot of bears. I'm in Harvard, Mass, in Littleton line, but the hive is very large. I believe there's a second hive in the tree where we're taking down the other tree. But this is where they were at. There's brood, there's nectar. I haven't found the queen yet, but I'm looking. Here's the other half of the tree. I put some swarm lure in. Got the queen cage ready to go. A lot of honey. We're taking down the rest of the tree, which is right there where the Y is. They believe there's another nest in there.